guys, welcome back to another day, another week, another story. And trust me, guys, right now I'm really pumped up because this particular story is truly inspirational. So, the message that this guy brings is that decision is more important than capability. So, let's go and see how does his life story look like. He comes from a humble background. Now, the only reason he decided to become a tourist guide at that particular point of time in his life was because he wanted to learn English and he thought that would be the best way to learn English. So he decided in his childhood that he would be a tourist guide. He failed primary school 2 times. He failed middle school 3 times. Imagine if you failed once in your school, how would your parents react? He was rejected by the police force. Now, the story behind this is that he was with a group of his friends who decided to apply for the police force, and they were 13 of them. Now, 12 of them got inducted into the police force, and he was the only person who got rejected. Can you imagine if you were that 13th person? How would that make you feel? He was rejected for a job at even KFC. Then he applied for Harvard 10 times and he got rejected each time. So this is how the life story of this particular individual is, the major down points of his life. And the person behind this is none other than Jack Ma, the richest person in China as of last year. Now this is his message. No matter how tough the chase is, you should always have the dream you saw on the first day. It will keep you motivated and rescue you from any weak thoughts. This, guys, is Jack Ma for you. So let's see what impact he's had. His IPO was the world's largest IPO in history. I guess it was around $25 billion, and that's huge in terms of market value. He made it to the Time magazine's 100 most influential people. He was one of China's most powerful people. His net worth was $40 billion. This was as of last year. Imagine $40 billion was his net worth. So what are the lessons that we can learn from this particular individual? Being rejected is not that bad, Now, regarding the police force that he was not inducted in, he was the only person who got rejected. Now, the mindset that he had at that point of time was, he told himself that there is something else much bigger and better than this. And it's very difficult to bring this mindset in, but he had this mindset. Do what you have to do to get started and big things will come. You have to get started. You're supposed to stop thinking about what others will think. Log kya kahenge should not be something that you should look at. Now imagine when you were in school and you were body shamed or made fun of. Do you let that affect you right now? No, right? So forget about log kya kahenge. 10-15 साल बाद किसी को याद नहीं रहेगा इसके बारे में. Today is cruel, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be beautiful. Now I find this quote really powerful because once you know when things don't go your way and you've hit the bottom, there is only one way, and that one way is upwards. And that is what Jack Ma really followed. Didn't let anything affect him in the long run. So these are the lessons learned from this guy, and I hope you'll love this video. And this is Nimish here, son of two lovely parents, brother of a beautiful independent woman. I'm an engineer turned MBA turned senior HR professional turned author and life coach. And my mission in life is to help people realize and achieve their true potential and be their best selves. Until next story, next week, please subscribe to this channel and take care. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Very important at this point of time. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next week.